In this video we have a math problem. So he's talking about a diamond. Problem is price of a natural diamond is proportional to the square of its mass. So if we have the diamond mass 4 gram costing $8,000 was snapped without bursts into two pieces. We have two pieces. So tell us that the mass ratio of the two pieces is 2/3, and we have to calculate the mass of each pieces. How much does each pieces cost, to evaluate the percentage loss of the jeweler. Okay, so if you want to calculate or to find the solution of this problem, you must stop the video here. And now let's see solution. Here is diamond with 4 gram masses was snapped in two diamond M1 and M2. So we have to find the mass of M1 and M2. All we know that M1 added to M2 give us 4 gram, and we have here the ratio of the mass is 2/3. So we have that M1 over M2 is 2/3. So this proportion gives us that 3 M1, again here multiply M1 by 3 equal to M2 multiplied by 2. So we have here 3M1 equal to 2M multiplied by M2, and we have M1 added to M2 give us 4, so the mass M2 equal to 4 minus M1. Okay, let's change this by his value, the M2 by his value. So give us 3M1 is equal to multiplied by 4 minus M1, because M2 is equal 4 minus M1. Okay, and here we have to multiply, so 3M1 is 8 is equal to 8 minus 2 multiplied by M1 give us 2M. Here we have 3M1 and here we have minus 2M1, so we take this minus 2M1 in this side, so it will be 3M1 plus 2M1 equal 8. So we have 5M1 equal 8, and give us the mass of M1, it's 8 over 5. So give us 1.6 gram. This is first diamond M1, and now it's easy to find the mass of M2 because we have here 4 minus M1. Okay, so the mass M2 is 4 minus M1, so it is 4 minus 1.6, it is 2.4 gram. We have two masses, M1 and M2. Each pieces of the diamond have a cost. So now let's see the price of each pieces of diamond. So we know that the price is proportional to the square of the mass. And let's see how to find this price. Okay, so if we call P1 price of the diamond M1 and P2 prices of the diamond M2, we have here a proportional. The price is proportional to the square of the mass. So give us P1 divided by the mass 1.6 squared, because price is proportional to the square of the mass. So P1 over 1.6 squared equal to price P2 over 2.4 squared, and the old diamond with 4 gram its mass, it costs $8,000. So price here will be 8,000 divided by 4 squared. By this proportion, you can find price P1. So if we multiply here and here, if we have P1 multiplied by 4 squared P1 multiplied by 4 squared is equal to 1.6 squared multiplied by 8,000. So if we want to find P1, it's equal 8,000 P1 is equal 8,000 multiplied by 1.6 squared over 4 squared. So P1 is equal $1,280. So now let's find the second diamond price. We have here P2 over 2.4 squared equal 8,000 over 4 squared. So with this proportion, we can find here P2 multiplied by 4 squared, and here 2.4 squared multiplied by 1,000. So the price will be P2 equal 8,000 multiplied by 2.4 squared over 4 squared. So give us $2,880. So the old price of the diamond was 8,000 and the new diamond cost P1 is 102,080 and P2 is 2,080 $880. So the jeweler have loss. So let's calculate the loss of the jeweler. So this, if we call L the loss of the jeweler, L equal 8,000 minus the new prices of the new diamond. So it is 8,000 minus 2,880 added to $1,280. So give us 3,840. So percentage of the loss will be price here divided percentage of the loss is price divided by the old. So it will be $3,840 over 8,000 multiplied by 10. So percentage of the loss is 48%.